another blizzard. Whatever, just, you know, showing you the... Can you see? It's so white. I don't even know if you can see. That's how high the snow is at the moment. Can you see that? I hope you can. If you can't, I'm sorry. Haven't been outside all day, so thought I would do this outside. I'm sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. Things were crazy. It looks insane out here. Look at all the snow. Whoa! Look at all of it. I'm just big on showing you guys all my snow because it's fun. I like snow. I'm going out to explore a tree limb that appears to have fallen. Let's see. Can you see that? Yeah, look at that. Exploring that. So that's what I'm doing at now. I made the video for the music video. I posted it on my channel and I'm not in it. My sister and her friends are in it. Whoa! Look at this! Look. Okay, so that's where it fell off. And I'm afraid it's gonna, like, trees are gonna fall on me. See? It broke up there. See that? That's where, I don't know if you can see it. Okay. It broke right there. See that? And that is the broken limb. Whoa. This is an adventure. Ah! That's like a huge limb. That is massive. Look at that. I don't even... What? Anyway, so I posted my video. It's on my personal channel. I actually worked really hard on it. So if you want to check that out, go for it. Yeah, it was fun. Thanks for making me do that because I don't know, it was really fun. It was I had a whole vision for it. Lame, I know. But then it snowed. Like it was snowing, so it changed everything. Look at the pile of snow. This is my street. Going out. Ugh. That's my mailbox. Look, that's my mailbox. Next to the pile of snow. See that? This is my driveway. There's a reason, like, look at that. Thanks, plows. That's really lovely of you. But anyway, this is the snow of blizzard of 2011. So, thanks for coming along with me. This has been fun. Yeah. Tori's computer's messed up, so that's why she couldn't make a video for this week. We're still on the lookout for Wednesday and Thursday, so if you're some random viewer out there who, you're probably not there, but if you are, oops, snow just fell on my head. Let us know if you want to join us. We'd love to have another friend. Yeah. So, this is the blizzard of 2011. Don't forget to be awesome. Stay super. See you on Friday, Zach.